¿Cómo será nuestro futuro? The future tense. ¿Puedes predecir el futuro? ¿Puedes hacer predicciones sobre el futuro del planeta? El medio ambiente y el futuro del planeta. Beberé menos agua. Hará mucho más calor. No existirá la Antártida. Habrán guerras por agua, no por petróleo. Muchas especies de animales desaparecerán. La gente se irá de las costas y áreas bajas. Aumentará el número de refugiados climáticos. Cuando usamos el tiempo futuro, when do we use the future tense? We use the future tense for actions, plans, events that have not taken place yet. They're going to take place, of course, in the future. How do you conjugate a verb in the future tense? You're going to use the infinitive. And you're going to add to the infinitive the endings of the future tense. And it's the same for the three endings of regular verbs in Spanish, ar, and ir. Let's try conjugating caminar, beber, y escribir. Ok, caminar. Yo caminaré, tú caminarás, él caminará, nosotros caminaremos, vosotros caminaréis, ellos caminarán. We're going to add to the infinitive of the verb the endings for the future tense. And remember, you're going to put an accent in each one of these conjugations except nosotros y nosotras. What about beber? Beber ends in ere, in er, and it's a regular verb. Yo beberé, tú beberás, él beberá, nosotros beberemos, vosotros beberéis, ellos beberán. You're simply going to add the future tense endings to the infinitive of beber. And remember, you're going to put an accent in each one of these conjugations except nosotros or nosotras. Escribir is a regular verb, ends in ir. Yo escribiré, tú escribirás, él escribirá, nosotros escribiremos, vosotros escribiréis, ellos escribirán. You're going to add the future tense endings to the infinitive, escribir. And remember, you're going to put an accent in each one of these conjugations except nosotros. Yes, there are irregular verbs in the future tense, but what changes is not the endings, it's the stem. Okay, decir changes its stem to dir, hacer to ar. Okay, let's take a verb like haber. It changes its stem to this combination of words. Yo habré, tú habrás. Poder, yo podré, tú podrás. Querer, yo querré, tú querrás, él querrá. Saber, yo sabré, tú sabrás, nosotros sabremos. What are other uses of the future tense? You can use the future tense to express conjectures or speculation. Okay, ¿dónde estará mi celular? Estará en mi carro. You're actually not speaking about the future tense. You're simply making conjectures or speculations about where is your cell phone. ¿A dónde irá Juan? Irá a su casa. ¿Qué hora será en Madrid? Será la 1 de la tarde. ¿En dónde estará José? Estará en casa de sus tíos. These are conjectures. This is not future tense. You're simply using the future tense to express conjectures or speculation. You can also express future tense using the construction ir plus a plus the infinitive. Voy a proteger a las tortugas marinas. Voy a plantar muchos árboles. This is future tense, but it's not using the future tense construction. It's using another construction. To express immediate future, we're going to use the present tense because it's so recent. It's very immediate. We can use the present tense in Spanish. Mañana nosotros reciclamos los periódicos. Okay, this action is actually taking place in the future, but the verb is in the present tense. Esta tarde protesto contra las políticas ambientales del gobierno. This action is also taking place in the future, but it is the immediate future. So you're going to use the present tense. To express the idea of willingness, you can use verbs like querer or poder and the infinitive, or you can simply use the present tense, the simple present. ¿Quieres ayudarme a limpiar la playa? This actually means, are you willing to help me clean the beach? ¿Me prestas tu envase de reciclar? Would you lend me your recycling bin? Or are you willing to lend me your recycling bin? Okay, you use either querer or poder or the simple present tense to express willingness. So in summary, we can use the construction ir, a, and the infinitive to express future tense. We can use the present tense to express the immediate future. And we use the idea of willingness with verbs like querer and poder or the simple present. Preguntas. If you have any questions, post them in the e-classroom.